Hi everyone, I'm the Tax Pro, and today I'm going to show you what to do in QuickBooks Online when you go to reconcile an account that you have never reconciled before, but it shows you a beginning balance. So this is the home screen in QuickBooks Online, and in order to navigate to the Reconcile tab, my preferred way of navigation is going up to this gear icon and then clicking Reconcile. You can also go into the My Apps side on the left hand side, go to accounting and then click reconcile there. It will take you to this page regardless of which route you go. So right here I have this Sunshine Bank working capital loan and I've never reconciled this account. You can see that there's nothing showing here that I've reconciled it before. For example, if we go into the primary checking, you'll see that there's a last statement ending date, but there's not one on this loan right here, this working capital loan. But for some reason, there's a beginning balance. And if I'm looking at my statement and I say, I don't have a beginning balance on here, where is this beginning balance coming from? And maybe I need to go in and reconcile, this account to 49,000. When I go in and I start reconciling, I'm not going to be able to see anything in there. Like I'm going to see this right here, and this is what I'm trying to reconcile, and these transactions are accurate, but for some reason, I'm off by 100,000. My beginning balance is showing as 100,000. And this is something that happens frequently, especially when you bring a company that has balances and accounts over. You'll get this thing where QuickBooks will import your beginning balances and it will put them into an account called opening balance equity, and then it will automatically reconcile that. And so let me go back into resume reconciling and let me close without saving. So this is what it looks like when you have this transaction that has already been reconciled, but you've never formally reconciled the actual account. The way to fix this is you'll notice up here that you can go up to the liability register. It'll say bank register if it's a checking account. You can click this and you can see right here, there is a transaction that has been reconciled, because you can actually go in and you can just click and mark something as reconciled right here. If I change it to R and I click save, it will reconcile this transaction, even though I haven't gone through and done a formal reconciliation. You shouldn't use this. It's best to not use that feature. But this is what happens when you import bank accounts or loans or something along those lines from either another accounting software, or when you first connect a bank and let's say that you want to, you ask QuickBooks to start the import on January 1st, it'll give you a balance, and the journal that it creates is, let me show you here, it will add the balance into the account, and then it will take the difference to opening balance equity. And this opening balance equity account should never have a balance in it once you have adjusted everything to where it needs to go. This is a placeholder account. So if you pull your balance sheet and you ever see this opening balance equity account, it needs to go away. So the QuickBooks does that. It tries to help you by bringing in that beginning balance, and then as an accountant, we can move that opening balance equity elsewhere. But it creates this issue. So if you have a bank account, let's say you have a checking account or something along those lines, and you have all these transactions, instead of having to go through and just scroll through pages and pages of transactions, you can come here to this filter and you can search for reconciled transactions, and then this will pop up. That's the easiest way to find it if you have pages and pages of transactions. And then the best way to do this is you can either delete this, you can mark it as unreconciled. It's going to depend on whether or not you need this balance in there. This is just, it's a mistake from, maybe this account balance was supposed to go to another account or something along those lines. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one, but it might be something to where you just reconcile it, and then when you do your formal reconciliation, that account balance is, it goes in there, and then you have your initial statement balance, so that your beginning balance is 0, but then it ties into that balance on your first statement. So if you don't need the transaction, go ahead and delete it. If you need the transaction, you can just reconcile it by hand. Like I showed you here, you would just go in and change this and click save. Now that we've corrected that, we can hit reconcile. We can go back in and we can say, okay, $49,000 as of the end of December. We can start reconciling. You'll notice there's no beginning balance anymore. We can select this and we can finish. We're good to go. So that's how you correct that. That opening balance equity is an account that QuickBooks likes to use. Should not have anything in it once you've taken those balances where they belong. Okay, so you've either deleted some of the balances that it's brought over, or you've moved the opening balance equity. Generally that goes into an equity account. It just shouldn't be opening balance equity. If you have any questions, please let me know. I know that one can be kind of tricky. If that was helpful, please consider giving us a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.